this is our 2-horsepower Omnivore Liberty Pumps grinder. It runs on 220 volt, and really the whole design behind it is it never bites off more than it can chew. So we're going to demonstrate. We'll throw some underwear in there, and some rags, and we'll finish off with a leather glove.
Okay. Oh man, he's going crazy with the glove now.
Worst time for it to stop right there, right?
Right.
Couple 20 seconds or so.
Wow.
So it'll never stop the pump. It'll just keep on taking bites until it's gone.
Wow.
Less and less each time.
Right. That's awesome. That's all that's left.